Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Foundation in the color Golden. This foundation is amazing. Like, it is full coverage, it blends out very easily. I find that it also blends out better with a brush instead of a beauty sponge because you get more coverage. Shout out to Maybelline. And there's a whole pump on the foundation. Like, this is a dream come true.
Jaden.
For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil in the color Dark Brown. This brow pencil is very comparable to the Anastasia Brow Wiz.
Chris Jaden. Robin West.
And I'm also cleaning up under my brows with a mixture of concealer and foundation.
Jaden. Robin West.
To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Medium.
Chris Jaden. Robin West Production.
This is my mom, guys. She came to say hi while I was filming.
Robin Wesley Production. Chris Jaden.
To set my under eyes, I use the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt, and I use the banana shade that's in that palette. And to set the rest of my face, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Medium Deep. For eyeliner, I use the Black Radiance Fine Line Eyeliner, and I tight lined with the Ulta Beauty Pencil Eyeliner. And then for mascara, I use the Maybelline Volume Express in the color Baddest Black. And clearly I did my eyeliner off camera.
Robin West.
For lashes, I'm using the EYLUREX Jasmine Brown lashes in the style Curly Queen. These are my all-time favorite lashes. I love them so much. I use them for everything. And I just put on mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm putting a little bit of black eyeliner on the outside of my lower lash line. And I'm using the NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt. I'm using the contour color to just bronze up my face a little bit.
Jaded.
For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the color Rose d'Oro. And then I just sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. And for highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the color Molten Gold. This highlight is like so bomb, you guys.
Robin West.
For my lipstick today, I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. And I lined my lips a little bit with a dark brown lip liner.
Chris J. Robin West.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'll see you guys in my next video.
J.